Hey everyone, in this video we are going to have a look at a simple way of preventing sending emails to real customers from our local or staging environment. Let's picture the following scenario. We are developing a new feature in our local environment, and in the database we have real customer data. And because of this, we wouldn't want to send emails to real customers while developing or testing the new feature. There are several ways we can avoid this. For example, instead of sending the emails, we can write them into our log files using the log mail driver. We may use a service like Hello, Mailtrap, or Mailhog. But in this video, we're going to be focused on using the alwaysTo method offered by the mail facade. Let's get started. For the sake of this example, I'm going to make use of the boot method of the app service provider to invoke the alwaysTo method offered by the mail facade. Obviously, you'll have to adapt the code according to your needs, but this should get you started. Okay, inside the boot method of the app service provider, we want to check if the app environment is not production, meaning it may be local, staging, or any other environment the app may have. Inside the if statement, let's call the mail alwaysTo method with your email as argument. And don't forget to import the class. Alright, so from now on, all the emails will be sent to your email instead of being sent to a real customer if your app environment is not production. If you are curious to navigate to the source code of the alwaysTo method, you will find that you cannot do that because it is not documented yet. I don't know the reason why it is not yet documented, but I did some digging and found that this method was introduced in Laravel 5.1. However, it only appears in the official documentation starting with Laravel 8. In the absence of a comprehensive documentation, I suggest we look at the source code to better understand what this method does. Let's go to the mail class and then to the mailer class. Here, let's search for alwaysTo, and we can see that the to property, which represents the email receiver, gets assigned our email address. Alright, now let's search for the send method and see what happens next. Alright, so if we scroll down, we can find a comment that's saying if a global to address has been set, we will set that address on the mail message. This is primarily useful during local development in which each message should be delivered into a single email address for inspection. All right, great. So if the address is set, then the method set global to and remove cc and bcc is called. Judging by its name, I think this method will override all the addresses added in the to, cc and bcc within the email message, but let's make sure and check it out for ourselves. Alright, so the cc and bcc are set to null, and the to method overrides the email receiver as we predicted. Yeah, that's awesome. Great. Alright guys, I hope you now have a clear view of how you can avoid accidentally sending emails to real users or customers when your app is running on local or staging environment. If you like this video, stick around this channel because I will post more free resources like this one. You can also find me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, where I also share web development and other geeky stuff. I was Carol and I'll see you in the next one.